If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Hello. Damn, you caught me on 4K doing that. Nuh-uh. What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. We got 르세라핌. I feel like Hype is in their bag. Real talk. Hype is really in their bag. Girl group, boy group, soloist, whatever. They just in their bag. Getting that check. Bro. Overwatch 2 with 르세라핌 Perfect Night official MV. My two worlds are colliding. Gaming and freaking K-pop are just thriving. I mean, they have before, to be honest. It's not like the first time, but still, it's like consistent, like more consistent basis, right? I mean, even anime and K-pop are combining, bro. Like, bruh, I love it. This is like, I'm in my pocket. But we got 르세라핌, fire, fuego, amazing. Bias is Chaewon. How you doing, Chaewon? We gotta give love to everybody else. Sakura is a baddie. Yujin is just a badass. Kazuha's fire. Unchained, the Maknae lead dancer, just That's a great girl group. I don't know if you haven't heard of 르세라핌. First of all, I don't even know if you haven't heard of 르세라핌 or even checked out their music and you click this video. Welcome. First of all, let's get into it together. But if you, I'm pretty sure everybody that likes 르세라핌 clicked this video, or you just like are curious about the song or just my reaction to it. Hi, how are you? Hit that subscribe, hit that like. You already know. Before we start, let's take a hit of this coffee. Perfect. Play my intro. Alright, let's check this out. This is a Overwatch. Bro, I can't believe this. This is kind of crazy, but I've been hearing good things about it. I've been seeing TikToks everywhere, so I kind of got a little bit spoiled, a little bit, because, you know, your boy be on TikTok up at night. You have to, trust, you be scrolling through TikTok at 3 a.m., demon hour, just going through your For You page, and it got a little weird, and you get into like a rabbit hole, and you can't get out of it. Anyways, 르세라핌 Perfect Night, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Oh, they in the dance studio? Ooh. Oh, they got dance practice outfits. Oh, them nails though. Hold up. Diva. I used to play Overwatch a lot. Like a lot. Oh, this is cute. Alright, this is alright off the bat. Okay, me and my girlies. Ooh. Goodbye. Okay, Chaewon. Sorry, my eyes went to Chaewon. I'm sorry. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. There we go on the edge. Let's go. Get that. Hey. Oh, traffic. Oh no, the girlies are in traffic. Not the yawning. Oh, okay. Hey. Okay. Don't start rolling off our line. Oh. Did you give a heart? Like emoted? Wait, wasn't that Hold up. You said the magic words, bro. I love my rich friends. Shout out to my rich friends. You know, that spoil me sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Come and take a ride with me. Alright, bet. I got a credit card and some good company. Bring me. I'm good company. You bring me. Shout out to all my friends that like to splurge on people just for funsies. I'm funsies. Anyways. Credit card and some good company. Aww. I don't know where that sound came from. That's not me. I don't know. 르세라핌 got me making different type of noises and shit. I don't know who that was, but I'm loving it. Okay. Oh, the outfit change is fire too. Hey. Hey. Oh, he's using the ult too. This is so chill, so smooth too at the same. I'm already doing a dance, that's crazy. I care at 11:59, but nothing comes after midnight. Okay, bet. It's like they're in. Oh, Diva's robot. Girl, let me join SSERAFIM. Put a wig on me. Hey. Oh, you better get that. Let's go, Chaewon. I see you. Let's go, girlies. Hey, hit that. Okay. Got them tickets. They got them tickets. Oh, security as well. I like this. I like that it's so like chill and laid back. Like literally a vibe with the girlies kind of ish, right? Instead of like the super hyped up in your face type of like vibe that maybe not that we expected, but you know, usually when you think of K-pop, you think like and then random reggae play out of nowhere. You know, it's a lot of genres in one sometimes. You know, not a lot of times in K-pop. But I've been liking the, like I said this before, I've been loving the vibey sounds in K-pop in general. Let's run it back one time. Let's appreciate this. First of all, they look good. Everybody look cute. Let's get it. Girls night. F boys. Them nails be nailing for real.
Me and my girlies, we gon' party till it's early. Got me feeling otherworldly tonight.
Hey, it's plastic. Goodbye. Hey. Damn. Hey. It's like, don't be. Cause after, man, I haven't played Overwatch in so long. I don't know if you guys play Overwatch or play any games. By the way, I do stream on Twitch. Today, I'm gonna be on Twitch watching scary, spooky videos come through. Halloween vibes. Link in the description. And follow the Discord. Link in the description.
Take a ride with me. I got a credit card and some good company.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
I got a
Credit card and
some good
company.
Come through.
Come through. The outfits here are crazy dope. Let's go. Hey, this part is one of my faves. Like when they just break down to dance right here. Get it. Hey. Let's go. Hang that shit up. Because this is cute. We just hanging out with the girlies, bro. Obviously, I know I'm not invited, but it's cool to watch from afar. Wrong tickets, bro. I didn't even notice that. It's for donuts. I'll take a free donut. They're cute. Night H. Bro. Bah. Not right. And then right after this. Bah. Get it. That's crazy. Let's go, Tracer. That's right. Tracer can go back in time, bro. I'm not. Trust. I don't think I even have your phone number. And I'm too afraid to DM. Put a comment down below what you guys think of SSERAFIM X Overwatch 2 Perfect Night Official MV. It's pretty chill, it's vibey. It's really up my alley of what I like today in my, I mean, if you've been watching me for like a while now, you literally see me grow throughout the times. At least you see a decade of me growing up as a K-pop fan and how not change, but just grow into, or not like, I mean, we all change as we grow. And you see me that I'm more, I do love my like heavy hitters, the horns, the genre changing and stuff, but I love a good vibey song, and this is a very vibey song. And you know what? This is kind of crazy to say. This was very like calming and relaxing to watch. I mean, obviously I could get up and dance and just get lit, but this is a vibe. I think that's the word of the day. It's a vibe. Put the comments down below what you guys think of 르세라핌 X Overwatch's Perfect Night official MV. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy JRE. Again, I'm gonna be live on Twitch watching spooky, scary videos since it's Halloween. So if you into that and you please just be there, because I'm scared of watching them and I need people to be there with me. So I cannot be scared. Look, I ain't no bitch, but I am one. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video or on Twitch. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.